Okay, now since we have everything all set it up, so we can do the training, but we should restore the configuration first. So certainly, if you want to double check, you can go to the install folder, image recognition, share, then just make sure your image parameter, they have enough pictures in there. So we can scroll down to we already did this, so we want to try to make sure we get a training model. So we can do this. Basically, we can run the training the model. So in here, we can close this one so we have a bigger screen so it can show it's going to download AlexNet because our training model, we're using AlexNet. So if you want to use other model, you can certainly do that. And but AlexNet is generally pretty effective model. So for example, if you want to use other model, you can go to the source code. You should be able to find out they are basically different model list. So for example, ResNet, SqueezeNet, VGG, Dense. So they're all pretty good. A ShuffleNet is pretty small, or MobileNet is pretty small. If you want to run things a little faster, you can sort of use those deep learning model basically with a pre-trained weight. So right now it's going to use our data, our collect image to retrain the weights in the model. So it's in our training model, we're using 10 epochs. So it's going to take a little while. So I'm going to speed it up and hopefully you should be able to see some of the things coming up as the training result. Because we do have a lot of pictures we collected. One thing you want to make sure is you don't stop the training. So it has to keep going until towards the end. Now I finished one epochs. It took about 64 seconds. It's about 1 minute. So it's going to take about 10 minutes to finish all the training. You should be able to go to a much faster computer to finish the training much quicker. So I'm going to speed it up to the end. So as you can see, after 10 epochs, and the image model will be saved. And if you go up to the install folder, so you expand the image recognition, and we can open the model folder. So you can see a flower model.pth is created in here. So also it's modified the recording.yaml file. If you scroll all the way down, you should be able to say when it's being built, how many pictures are used to do the training, and what model is used. And so basically we will be able to use this model for inferencing. So it does take some time, but it's basically how it is done. But you do want to make sure you back up the configuration. So we basically will do that. And so next time when we do the inferencing, we can restore the information. So that's basically it.